Welcome back to my channel, and today I have an exciting Dollar Tree haul for you. It is very small, but it was a gift haul, if that makes sense. My granny went out, and she said she just thought that while she was waiting for her prescription, she would run into the Dollar Tree and look around. And so she said that she found some stuff for me. Yeah, so I think that I will share it with you as well. It's Christmas ornaments, and this stuff is awesome, and I'm so happy that we could find some of these items and that she thought of me. So first off, she did pick up a two-piece clear ornament, and she said, I know you probably have mementos or something of Connor, and I thought that you could put them in these bulbs, and I thought that was a really cool idea. I've done it in past, but I thought that was really nice that she thought of that as well. She did get me two of these beautiful snowmen. There's two here, and they have all these nice detailings. Like, they actually have stick arms, they have a carrot nose. Look at the earmuffs here, you guys. The embellishments, the rhinestone buttons, the scarves, they're like a fuzzy kind of material, and it looks to be well made. Like, look how adorable he is. So she grabbed me two of those. She also grabbed me, let's find a pack where the trees aren't all messed up, but she did pick me up 4 packages of the little red truck with the tree on them. We were just talking about the red truck with tree on them, and she found them today. Now, I will point out some of the trees have come off. That's okay. I will glue them back on. It's really not a big deal. I may do some DIYs, at least one using some of these, because like I said, there is 4 packages, and I already have like a ton of ornaments for my tree, so I think it might be fun to do some other stuff with these as well. But what a surprise! How nice of her. And last and final items are these 2 owls, and oh my, she said there was only 2 of these, so she grabbed both of them. And I love owls. I love owls. They're literally, I decorate with them all the time. Cute are their pine cone little ears, their pine cone feet, all the detailing with the pine here, and their little burlap eyes, like the little beak. Anyways, these are absolutely stunning. They have this like buffalo check belly, and they are such nice fuzz, like fleece material on the back as well. These look like they're way more than $1. Okay, this is some high quality, like Pottery Barn or something, I don't know, but absolutely beautiful and stunning. Like, this is so cute. This is so cute, hands down, you guys. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. My granny done something super nice for me, and I wanted to give you guys a little heads up of what is at the Dollar Tree already. Christmas stuff, and we ain't even surpassed Halloween. So thank you, Nanny, if you're watching. I love you, and I hope you guys enjoyed the small haul, and we'll stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.